Hello everyone, welcome back to Dudes Tech. Today we are talking about the best lightweight mini drone that brings smart features and smooth flying into a compact design. If you want a drone that is easy to control but still powerful enough to capture amazing shots, you are going to like this one. Let's take a closer look at the Govagork F180 lightweight mini drone. Let's get started. The Govagork F180 lightweight mini drone is built to give you a simple and enjoyable flying experience. One thing that makes it stand out right away is the built-in 4.5-inch RC screen. You do not need to connect your phone to see what the drone sees. Everything shows up directly on the controller screen. This makes flying more convenient and helps you stay focused without distractions. Controlling the Govagork F180 feels smooth and natural. The controls are designed to be intuitive, so even if you are new to drones, you can quickly understand how to move it around. It handles open areas easily, and it also performs well in tighter spaces, thanks to its responsive navigation. Now let's talk about the camera. The Govagork F180 lightweight mini drone comes with a professional 4K Ultra HD camera. This allows you to capture sharp details and rich colors. Whether you are recording landscapes or special moments, the footage looks clear and vibrant. Advanced image stabilization helps keep your shots steady, even when the drone is moving quickly. This means your videos look smooth instead of shaky. Safety is another strong point. The Govagork F180 includes GPS features like auto return home. The drone remembers its takeoff point, so if the battery gets low or the signal becomes weak, it automatically flies back to where it started. This gives you peace of mind while flying. It also has advanced obstacle avoidance sensors. These sensors detect objects in different directions and help the drone adjust its path to avoid collisions. This is very useful when flying in areas with trees, buildings, or other obstacles. The Govagork F180 lightweight mini drone offers creative GPS flight modes as well. Follow Me mode allows the drone to track you and keep you in the frame automatically. This is perfect for capturing action without needing someone else to control the camera. Circle Fly mode lets the drone move around a subject in a smooth 360-degree motion, creating cinematic-style footage with very little effort. The overall design of the Govagork F180 is compact and portable. It is easy to carry and does not feel bulky, yet it still packs powerful features inside. This drone truly combines smart technology with easy control. Check the price link in the description to learn more about the Govagork F180 lightweight mini drone. And if you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe to Dudes Tech for more awesome tech content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.